Hey guys, you know what time it is. Unboxing time. Okay, so this was from BJ's today. 16 bars of Caress soap. And it was a really good deal. I honestly think it was like maybe $7.59 or something. I mean, you really cannot go wrong. This is a really, really good deal on that. So I got a whole bunch of other stuff from BJ's too, but I'm not going to do it in this video. But anyway, okay, so let's see what I got, because a lot of times I forget what I order. Hold on, let me open this and I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so I opened up the Amazon box, and wouldn't you know, I forgot that I ordered soap. I think I'm obsessed with soap. I am. I literally am. I'm like always stocking up just in case there's shortages on stuff. And these plates are good. I love these plates. I get them all the time now from Amazon. They're really good price on them, and I like that they're 100% combustible plates too, and they're really good because they're hefty and they're really strong. So, and then this is just boring soap, 3-pack dial. So yeah, add to my more soaps. I mean, how many soaps do I need? But like I said, I try to stock up on this stuff. And what was this? I just don't ever remember what I order. I'll be right back again, guys. Okay, so this is, these are slippers, but the bag looks kind of beat up. Huh? I'm not going to be able to do this one-handed. I'll be right back again. Okay, so these are the slippers that came out of the bag, size large. They're supposed to be with the support system in them. Not support system, but like, if it's like a foam, and you are able to use these indoor and outdoor. I remember it saying these are so soft, these are so pretty. I got them because I love this color, but like they had other options. I think they had like a leopard or something like that, but yeah. But I'm just wondering if these were a return, because like this feels like maybe somebody might have tried them on. I don't know. Maybe that's why I got such a good deal on them. Let's see. Let's see right here. So that's what they say. That's what they are. I mean, I like the bag, but I feel like it was a little worn out. But I could always I could actually reuse this bag. I definitely could reuse this. But I think these were like $6. They were more money, but they had like a percentage off or a coupon or something. I forgot how much they were, but I know these are definitely worth, well, maybe they were like almost $7 with tax, but still. For these, which are seem like they're pretty good quality. They seem pretty solid, and yeah, you could not get these for that price. Like, I mean, not the indoor outdoor type, for this price. Honestly, even probably at Walmart, these would probably be $10-15 or something, $20 at Target maybe even. But anyway, so that's what I have for right now. Maybe tomorrow I can show you some of the things I got at BJ's and Wholesale Club, and that will be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Really helps out my channel. Thank you guys for subscribing and liking and always commenting. I will see you in the next one. Bye.